Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and this is my little tiny sketch for this big 24 by 24 inch by 2 inch canvas. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm nervous, but I figure if I just start, I'll be okay. And I'm gonna have to tip this. Those are chalk lines. And I'm hoping that I can get away with this. I'm thinking I'm just going to be belligerent and break all my rules. And add colors I like next to each other. That was my purple. It's not the flash, it's the... I can't squeeze and speak. It's the Folk Art Neon Multi-Surface Acrylic. This is the purple flash. And I'm going to put some more pink in there. I'm going to throw a little bit of this pink in there. Just because I didn't have any white in my last one that I tried this with. This is another version of the Hot Orchid. And I think I'm going to put a little more of that. That is a Folk Art color shifting red. Now over here in this dish, I have some Amsterdam black with 10 drops to 2 ounces of mixed Amsterdam black, 10 drops of pre-stained wood conditioner. Now I'm going to move my paint bottles back. I might put a little more gold in there. I'm not sure. I want some purple. Yeah. Now the last time I did this, I did this straight lines. See if I can get that turned around. So I'm going to dip a fair amount of black. I'm going to show you. A fair amount for a short strip. And hope I didn't wipe most of that off on the edge. I'm going to use what I've got left right below on the edge, and wipe off what I don't need because it's a dry primed canvas from earlier today. I didn't get my start the way I wanted, but I don't know if there's any going back now either. Ah, what the heck. Life is nothing without risks. And I'm going to take that paint that I just found dropped and mess with my stripe. I'm going to mess with it all the way across because I want it to be different than it is. Alright, I can't say that's the most successful start I've ever had. But I'd like to think of myself as somebody who's capable of faking things out fairly well, so I guess we'll find out if I'm accurate at this point or not. This could take a lot longer at this rate than my usual, but it is a much larger canvas too. The chalk marks are a little disconcerting, but they'll be gone tomorrow. I don't really want to have to swipe over this again. Alright, so there's my start. I kind of want to go to this other place over here, which might be perfect. If I can get my parts of myself by. So, like I said, I'm not doing this the same way I did yesterday's, which was rainbow bricks. That was Floetrol. Floetrol does not hurt. I've often used Floetrol as a swipe swipe agent. If you need the name of a color, please just ask me. Come out. Got it. Also got it on the canvas. I'm going to throw a little bit more blue in there. You know what? I want a color I don't have out here. Oh, maybe I do. I love that green in there so much. And I'm going to dip my card again. I'm going to squish it forward this time. I'm not getting the width I was expecting on things. So I'm going to double swipe and pull to fill. Take some chances because I love what I just got. Just need to have enough paint to make the card slide all the way down. Yes, I was looking for something and I didn't stop to find it. And it is open. And it is the neon, excuse me, it's the emerald green from Folk Art, color shifting. And I have a lot of nice paint right on my card that needs to come off. And that came off really well. Wow. Okay. So I'm going to take the rest of it and put it on my Lolify silicone mat because I don't want to mess with that right now. Do I have enough? No, I don't have enough. I am going to put some gold throughout. I want to make sure I have enough. I really want something darker in there. That's the Chrysocolla. That's a prism pour. Be nice if this would work better this time, or maybe I just need a wider card. You know what? I want to start way further forward. I want to shake up my paint. I'm not even sure how those corners are going to work out, to tell you the truth. Speaking of corners, fortunately, it's nice that I can wipe that off the dry canvas. And I just primed this today. And I'm thinking I'm going to just continue on this side until I can't go anymore and then switch. And I want plenty of purple. I haven't used any dioxazine purple in a while, and I kind of want some of that. Let's just put some right down the side. I want some blue to make that pop. Yeah, I'm getting really creative with how I'm putting this paint down. That is the Folk Art color shifting purple flash. I'm going to throw a little bit of blue in there and hope that my luck continues. I don't know if that's wide enough. I don't think it is. I think I better cut another card that's wide enough. going to dip that card in the black. And fortunately it's black canvas, so it shouldn't make any difference if I go over the edge. I really wasn't planning on my canvas moving, but it is. I'm just going to try and line up the residual paint with the part of the canvas over the side. And it's working kind of well, kind of not. I'm going to do it again over here. Alright, who knows what's going to happen with this tomorrow. It may have another stage coming. I'm just faking it out. Figure the cells will come if they're coming. So now I just have these other two spots, and I don't have to make a right angle like my drawing, like I was supposed to. And I really think I want to move that over some. And use a whole bunch more pink than I have been. I kind of even want some magenta in there, which I haven't used today. Got some neon pink too. That stayed mixed quite nicely. I want some gold. I haven't used much orange. Ooh, I got paint flakes. I wonder where they come from. Yeah, I wonder that a lot. I'm just filling in. Now what do I want down here? I want some purple. This particular stroke, I should probably move the bottles that are in the way so I don't screw up my edges. That is still not too bad so far. I've got some bottles in the way for sure. Let's grab my dish of swipe color out of the way also. I think I'm just going to turn it around. Actually, I'm going to go back to the other tool because it's the right size. Over me. A nice slow pull. Plenty of leftover color on my card to cover my edge, which worked out even better than any of the others so far. So I've got one left to go, and I really kind of want it to be the blue. Hopefully that'll be all right. I think some dioxazine purple. I think a bunch of Prussian blue would be a really good thing in there if it's open. And it is. Yay. I'm nervous. I need another color. And I've got what used to be a Bahama blue. Looks a lot like that color shifting turquoise. This is an Anita's white metallic with Venetian blue in it. I want one other color in there, and I think it's going to be turquoise. Do I want more blue? If I put more blue in there, there's going to be too much paint. Oh well, never mind. I might put colored stripes in here too. Can't wait to wipe that chalk dust off. Alright, I have just about enough paint left. And I left the paint on there, darn. Okay, well, it'll be alright. Sometimes I need a second pull. Sometimes I need a third pull. I think I want something on this corner. And I think it has to be, I never did grab a scrape dish. I think it has to be the red, yellow, orange combination. Actually, I did grab a scrape dish earlier. I just went and downloaded some stuff and took some photographs, and when I came back there wasn't enough time. So, I've got just enough time to try and fake out my corner. I just need a much smaller card, and I have one. And here goes nothing. I don't want that to turn right now. I might have to fix that after. Oh no, I have enough color. Yay! That was fortunate. Okay, so for right now, this is done, and I'm Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, check out over 1,900 videos on 19 playlists with 100 on, and look for topics and genres too, and if you can't find what you're looking for, ask me. I know where everything is. I've got it all stashed and saved. I want to add other colors. Like, really. Without running into bottles, preferably. I've got 1 minute left to tell you guys, check the end screen video for the exhibition, and if you make a donation through PayPal or Patreon, you'll be automatically entered in the monthly drawing. And those, you'll see the prizes included there on that exhibition video. That's a little better for me. I want another orange. Okay, so far so good. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and you will see the stuff that I'm forgetting to tell you on another video.